In this clip, I'm going to show you how to make a Thinking of You card. And on this card, I chose to make a copy of an old song that my friend really liked. And she loves music, and so I chose to add some music to this card. And I'm going to glue the song to the front of the card, folding it in half. Then I also chose to handwrite a little message to her about knowing that she really loved that song, and some personal handwritten notes. And this is the finished product. And thinking of you, this song brings back so many memories. I love you. Eloise, 2007.